Once a lion used to live in the jungle. One day he was sleeping when suddenly a mouse came there and got into the lion's hair and started playing. Suddenly the lion's eyes opened and he caught the mouse. The mouse got scared and said, "Don't kill me. I will not do this again." The lion got relief from it and he let the mouse go. The mouse went away and started saying to the lion that I will never forget this experience. One day some hunters went to the jungle. They laid a trap and caught the lion. Suddenly the same mouse came there. He saved the lion by cutting the net with his teeth, and the lion was free. The lion thanked the mouse. The mouse said, "No, one day you helped me. Today I helped you." And the mouse went away smiling.